Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs in n8n series. In this video, we solve some basic problem in our startups we face. So let's take an example which we already facing. So this is our 100x creator website where we have the courses and we have this complete website. But now I fill the enroll now button. So let's click on this one, enroll now. Here is the form. If you fill the form and select the course, anyone which you want, let's take this one, offline one. Now if you click on a submit enrollment, or if you have any question, write this one. Now we see this form submission goes to here in this Google Sheet. Now I want to automate this thing. Now I want to automate this thing to give them a personalized reply to increase our conversion. Okay. So what is our trigger now? When any row added in this sheet. Okay. Let's create a new workflow and we can connect to Google Sheet. On row added, updated, but we need to require the credentials. So let's add the credentials from, let me close all these tabs, and GCP we want GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Just go to console. Here we are in the AI testing, right? Google Sheet API. Let's enable this one. We will wait for it. Manage it is enabled. Let me manage this one. On row edit. We need credential for this. So let's take the credential from here itself. Okay, copy and paste it. Okay. And the second is secret we required. Then we need this one and paste this one. Save, sign in with Google. So now you click on continue and give access to this one. And it's done. Okay. So we have this one. Now we need to select a course enrollment. This is our document. We have only one sheet. When add row added, then it will active. Fetch test data, let's fetch it. So we have this data, 4 items we have. If we see in the table, so we have this one. So now what we needed? We need something who writes a mail for us. Now, who it is? We are using AI now. We can use AI templates also. There are a lot of templates, but we use OpenAI. Message a model, analyze. We need a message. Okay, so let's use this one only. Text we need. Let's choose a model. Let's use any ChatGPT 4.0, I think so, or 4.1. Role user. If you want to add a system prompt also, you can add it. User, system, assistant, you can write it like that. But we don't require this one. Let's use this one. But there is a one thing. We have this one, JSON, which is course ID on the timestamp we can use. Write act as a email writer for 100x creators which is generative AI training center whose name, email, course name, phone number, to write a personalized reply who get reply for course query. Okay, so we write a prompt and we will wait for it, and let's test this one. So it writes the customized email for us. Okay, for all things. But if you want the recent, if it will add, once we active this workflow, once added, then it will take like this. So it writes the mail. Okay, now we need to send this one. Okay, so for send, we required what? We required Gmail. Reply to or send a message. Send a message. Okay. Send to whom we need to send. Let's click on a schema. We need to send on the emails. Okay. Now what should we write? Okay, but when we want only the body part, we don't want the let's create this one. So here is the context. This is the message. If we text or HTML. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's fix this one first. We need to see the output. Subject, thank you. We don't want subject. Okay, let's use. We only want body part for email. Okay, let's test this one. So it writes the thank you for interesting generative AI online program. This one. So it gives us this. Now we will check with the roles. Now we want the content over here. Okay, let me change the expressions. Thank you. This way it is able to show. If you have any specific questions. Okay. Our Comfy Mastery is designed to provide hands-on training, leverage. So this is the one, but we can change it to this. Okay. So what is the subject we want? So let's check with this one. So subject we want, thank you for, we write 100x creators. We don't need this one. Okay, it is, let's use creators over there. Registration, thank you for fill the form. Thank you for fill the form. Okay, now it is done. Let's test now. If we click on this one, we already have Google account, we already have message sent, we already have. Let's run this one this time and send to all. So now if we click on active, okay, whenever the new row added, it automatically send the mail. So let's test this one. So back to the courses. If you click on this one, let's fill this one offline. Let's fix and submit. From submitting, it will act, and we will wait for the items. So this is also one thing which we get. We also get the email. Okay, so we got thank you for reaching out. Okay, we already got this one. Thank you for reaching out in this 100x creators. Please let us know. I am happy to tell you this for upcoming batches. So this we got this email, or if you want to remove, we can remove this part also, but this is the thing. And if you want a proper HTML context, we can make a proper email for that. So this is the basic automation which we created to automate our leads to get a personalized email back to them. Okay. So this is it. If you click on active, it will save this thing. So let's give the name of this course enrollment form. Okay, so now we are able to send them a personalized email using just 3 nodes. One is the trigger, one is the filtration or the writing, and this is the action we take. In the coming videos, we learned the same thing with AI agents and all the things. So this is the basic workflow. You can automate these small steps for your startup, so you don't need to hire some people. Okay. Because it is a basic thing, you need to filter out these things. Now your person who is working for you, it's able to more productive and doing more tasks in the less time. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and follow us on our Instagram.